everybody. I am out here on our balcony in Melbourne and I am enjoying this amazing view. Check it out. Now I'm going to take you inside so you can see our apartment here in Melbourne. We enter through these sliding doors, and I'm going to take you just kind of into this sitting area here where we had a couch. We had an air conditioning unit, which was very nice, although interestingly we didn't really need it here in Melbourne this week because they had 108-degree Fahrenheit temperatures last week, but when we arrived the temperatures went way low because they had a cold front come in, so we didn't really actually have to use it. We just kept the windows open, which has been nice, and the doors. We had a TV, but we didn't watch much TV because the tennis tournament was over, and yeah, we were doing lots of things in the city. So come on in here. This is where we had a lot of our meals. Whenever we have a full kitchen, and it's expensive as it is in here in Melbourne, we try to eat in as much as we can. So we ate here, and we prepared our meals over here in this tiny galley kitchen. So this kitchen is well stocked with just the basics, but we did have a gas stove, which was nice, had an oven, and this is interesting, they built a cupboard over their refrigerator, so it's just a tiny little refrigerator inside of a giant cupboard. So like I said, just the basics. It was a good kitchen and we made some nice meals here. Then if you go in here, this is just a basic Western style bathroom. Stand-up shower, toilet and sink. And then also, which is something that we always love, we had a washing machine. So no dryer this time, which has been mostly typical in our travels. So we dried all of our clothes out on the balcony, but it was nice to have a place to do our laundry. So I'm going to take you out this way, back through the sitting area and into where the girls slept. This is their room. So this is a queen-size bed, and nothing really fancy in here at all. They did have a closet, which is nice. Closets always seem superfluous when you're traveling, unless you're kind of in a place for 4 or 5 days, then you can unpack, which we did this time. So I'll take you back into the sitting area. So as you walk through the sitting area, come to the second bedroom, which is where Mitchell and I slept. Nice sliding door here, pocket door. We had the same closet, the exact same setup, which was nice because we could unpack a little. And then the only difference between our bedroom and the girls' bedroom is this amazing view of the city. So this view of the city, like I said, was just amazing. If you check it out, Eden actually really enjoyed, on top of probably 4 or 5 or 6 of the buildings, there are these huge cranes and they're doing all this construction. So she was really interested in that. They had some things actually coming up and down on the cranes, and they had construction elevators going up and down. So we spent an inordinate amount of time watching the cranes outside. So anyway, this has been a really lovely apartment. It's very well situated in the city, so we had access to everything by just walking. We didn't even have to use public transportation here. So we really, really enjoyed our time here in Melbourne. And we hope that you've enjoyed this short apartment tour. And if you did like it, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our channel because we have a lot more videos coming your way. And as always, we'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have a great day. Bye.